Welcome to the fourth hopeful episode of Rosan's Voice. Rosan opened her eyes gradually. Her head felt so heavy she could not lift it from the pillow. She then heard a strange voice yelling, "Doctor! Doctor! She's regaining consciousness!" said a male stranger. The doctor came with a nurse and asked a young man who called to leave. It was almost as if Rosan was in a deep sleep, stuck in a strange dream. When she finally became stable, she was told that she was found bare, near the farm road, unconscious with a very brave dog guarding her. She fortunately was found by a young man who happens to be a policeman. He rescued both Rosan and her guardian angel of a dog. He stood by her side until she regained consciousness. He was the one who called the doctor when Rosan regained consciousness. Rosan was content that Fate was rescued, but wanted to go home as soon as possible, for her parents' lives were hanging by the thread. Back at Rosan's home, Rosan's mother managed to crawl out of the house. She was in the street begging for help. She crawled to the road in agony, raised her hands to stop the approaching car, and shouted with every bit of strength she had left in her weak system. The car almost ran over Rosan's mother, but by God's grace stopped a second away from Rosan's mother. The driver was furious. He stepped out of his car and said, "Are you crazy? If you want to commit suicide so bad, why don't you drink poison instead of involving me? You want your blood on my hands? Are you crazy?" Rosan's mother looked at the strange man with eyes filled with helplessness. She combined her shivering hands and begged the strange man to help her daughter. She explained to him that her husband was sick and that their daughter's life was in grave danger. She needed to help her even if it killed her. The driver of the car's fury faded and sympathy took over. He started talking in a low, respectful pitch and asked for the address. He took Rosan's father and mother to the police station as they both insisted on finding Rosan before going to the hospital. Rosan's mother wanted to go straight to Rob's house, but the driver advised her not to. He advised her to go to Rob's house with the police. On reaching the police station, they found out that Rosan was found and that she was now at the nearby hospital. After learning about Rosan's whereabouts, Rosan's mother felt a sharp pain in her heart and froze. She could not breathe or scream. All she felt was pain. Will Rosan's mother live to see her daughter? Will Rosan reunite with her parents? Will the police arrest Rob and his family? Find out in the next episode of Rosan's Voice.